Hello guys, so today I have a new package delivered by J&T from Shopee, and I have received this for almost a week already, but I was not able to find enough time to open it. So thankfully today I have the time. So let's start. What could this be? It's pretty, it's heavy. This is a stamp. Next, another stamp, and it has these flower design. By the way, if you can hear any snore on the background, that's my baby. My baby is snoring. Nice finish. Next, this one has the rose design. Darker ang side ko. Okay, these are beads. Yes, wax, sealing wax, a form of innovation, the birth of a square inch of art. It's 100 pieces. Saan siya hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon. Here's another one. This is really cute. The color is nice. Guys. Look at this. It has a star shape. Look at this. They have these are star-shaped wax. I believe these are just 50 pieces. Or I guess it's 30 pieces. Interesting. Black star wax. Next, another star-shaped wax in green. I believe this is 100 pieces. I also ordered a pen. a silver and a gold one. Why did I receive 2 silver? 2 silver. And next, it's another stamp. It's like the Sakura card captor Sakura look. I'm excited to do wax. I'm excited to do wax sealing. Oh, another. I guess these are freebies instead. Because I believe I only ordered 1 or 2. Oh, no more? That's it? That's it, guys. So I thought I ordered more of these. So that's it, guys. I thought I ordered more of these wax, but it seems they only shipped 4 sets. But I'm really excited with these 2. I'm sorry, with these 4. So you can take like this. See? And then just pick another and screw it. Yeah. I now have 4 of these. Yes. Thank you. And I'm gonna put a link of the Shopee store where I ordered these stamps, these items. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to also click the ring button so you would be notified on my next videos. See you all.